What is the most effective way to learn English very soon as possible? How can you learn this language? If you want to learn this language in just 1 month and you don't have time to learn this language for so many months, and you want to learn just in 1 month, so I am just recommending you use this method. You will learn, you will get good results, you will have you will see the insane changes in your English speaking journey. So without taking too much time, let's get started, guys. This method is very important because I personally have used, and I have gotten a good I have gotten good results itself. So that's why I am telling you, guys. You just have to put yourself every day in different situations. If you want to learn this language as soon as possible, you just have to put yourself in different situations every day. I'm not talking about that you have to put yourself on fire. I'm not talking about you have to put yourself in very tough situations where you cannot speak a single sentence. I'm just saying put yourself in favorable situation where you can go and talk. Definitely there will be so many hurdles, but this is not a very tough situation where you are putting. I'm not saying that you have to talk on the stage. I'm just saying you have to talk about the situations. Today you have to take yourself on this way that you just have to speak in English language. Come what may, I will just use the English sentences, Hindi or English, both mixed. You have to use today. As much as I have the words, as much as you are able to speak, whether you are speaking wrong or right, just you have to speak in English language. That must be the situation for first day. And second day, you have to just use the cooking vocabulary, how to use cooking vocabulary while your mom is cooking, while your sister is cooking the food. You just have to go there and talk to her, talk to your mom or sister about the cooking vocabulary, like chop means क्या होता है, काटना किस means होता है, और स्टिर मीन्स क्या होता है, और फ्लावर मीन्स क्या होता है. These types of vocabulary, if you want to learn very fast, you just have to put yourself on these situations. That will help you to learn this language very soon without getting bored. There you will not feel any kinds of boring feeling. You will not be bored, because you are enjoying the process. You are just experimenting, you are just being practical on that particular thing, on that particular step. You are being practical, you are just making yourself practical. So that will help you to learn this language very soon. Okay, second day you just learned about the cooking vocabulary. Third day you just have to talk about the study related vocabulary which are used in a study. Okay, and fourth day you have to talk about your self introduction, how to give self introduction. I already have talked about the how to give self introduction. If you want to watch the video, the link is in description. You can watch the video how to give the self introduction in English language. Okay, guys. So that is why I am just talking about you have to put yourself on different situations every day, and you have to learn different vocabulary related to that situation. So that you can so that if you are forced to talk in different situations somehow, so you will not worry, so you will not hesitate, you will speak, because you already are aware about the vocabulary, the how to use these sentences while doing these works. So guys, this will be a very effective method to learn English very fast, very soon. in a very enjoyable manner without making your journey boring. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about that. This is going to be very, very important for you, so use this method. Personally, I just feel that if you are just wondering about learning English and you just want to learn this language very soon, you don't have enough time, you just have only 1 month or 2 months to learn this language. So put yourself every day in different situations and be practical. Okay, so you just have to learn. And I'm not saying that you are aware about all the vocabulary. I just want to tell you that you just have to learn the vocabulary related to that situations. You can use ChatGPT or Google for learning that vocabulary. Like for if I'm talking about cooking vocabulary, if यदि मैं जानता नहीं हूँ कि काटना किस मीन्स होता है और पीसों में काटना किस मीन्स होता है कि इसको पीस में काट दो, 2 पीस कर दो, कट इनटू, और चॉप मीन्स काटना होता है, तो आप इसको सर्च करिए और उसके बाद आप जानेंगे ना, देन और आपने उसको प्रैक्टिकली यूज किया है, यू आर डूइंग वाइल यू आर यूजिंग दैट वोकेबलरी, यू आर डूइंग दैट वर्क एट द सेम टाइम. And that is why you are making your learning imaginary. If you are able to make the learning process imaginary, if you are able to imagine that thing, that becomes easy, that becomes very easy. For example, why am I talking about that? You just have to make your journey practical. You just have to imagine yourself in those situations. You can imagine also, that can also work if you don't have the real life situations. Okay, guys, for example, when we watch any movies, we are able to remember all the things, all important parts. We just, after watching movies, we just tell our friends about that movie, that was very interesting, I liked that part, I liked the acting of the actors. So you will be able to tell, because why is this happening? Because you are aware about the moves. You were watching in a very interesting manner. That movie was making you feel interesting. So that's why you just are able to remember the sentences, because it is a practical way to learn this language. That's why I'm telling you, just have to put yourself on real life situation and you will learn this language. So I think you have got the point. If you are a serious learner, you will apply this thing and you will learn this language very soon, without taking too much time, without wasting too much time. Okay, so I think you have got this, and if you have found this video relevant or essential for you, for your English learning journey, so please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and bye bye. We will meet in another very specific video. Okay.